Hey Las Vegas, we lost another 210 homes off the active single family home market. We need more sellers. This is Cosmo with your weekly housing market update here in Las Vegas for February 8th, 2023. So yes, we continue to lose inventory and it doesn't look like it's going to slow down. Hopefully we get a lot more listings in March, but right now it does not look good. We also seeing an uptick in under contracts. People are out shopping for homes and we're seeing more people put out offers. We have our big end of the month uptick for expireds, but I do think we're going to stay in this lower range here. And I do think that we're going to have less withdrawals because there's going to be limited inventory and buyers are going to start buying the properties that may not be immaculate. But then lastly, and most importantly, because we have so many under contracts happening, there's going to be a lot more solds as we get through February and into March. With more buyers and less options, we're going to see the days on market median continue on its downtrend. And then we'll see average price stay pretty flat because people are trying to offer less or trying to get a ton of incentives. But the median price is going to stay flat at this higher number. So for Vegas, at least, you're going to see the median price increase from January to February. And then lastly, we're seeing a decrease in price reductions simply because, again, there are less homes on the market. Now look, none of this is happening overnight, but for the second week in a row, we've had less new listings than we've had homes go under contract. And that means inventory is quickly decreasing right now. And so what does this all mean? Well, it means that we're likely to see a small price increase in February and a small price increase or stabilization in March because of the lack of inventory and because there are a lot more shoppers out there. Now remember, I can only see 1 to 2 months, maybe 3 months ahead, and we're not really able to know what happens beyond that. This is a very interesting time in real estate, and while the low inventory is going to pick up pricing here in the next month, we don't know if that's going to continue through the rest of the year. With the expectation of interest rates to come down as the year goes on, we do feel that it will drive prices up, but we don't see a ton of appreciation this year. We really think it's going to be very minimal. However, knowing where the market's going to be in 3, 4, 5, 6 months is dependent on what is happening in our economy and the news that's coming out on rates. Follow us for more weekly updates like this every single week and call and text with all your Las Vegas real estate needs.